Let's run a test then, and I'll just show you how this kind of looks like. Here is the first draft, right? So this is kind of what it looks like in terms of like Saturday ahead, monthly target, needs attention, and then stage, reach, sale deals, reminders, etc. Auto-generated from, and then if I refresh again, I should probably see another one. And as you can see over here, multi-target reach, reassign, 8-day waiting. And then if I refresh again, I should see a third. There you go, behind target. And this is something you have to if you have a lot of sales rep or even 2 or 3. This is something you have to do manually, and then you have to essentially go through every sales rep's logs and information and figure out who should they be calling, what deals are stale, who's uncontacted, are you reaching their targets. And by just using Cloud Cowork, setting up a reminder as scheduled, it will create a draft for you every single day and just have the information like this. And you will be able to then pretty much send them this brief directly to them so they are aware and that you're aware, and you don't have to think about it anymore, which is pretty cool. Let's build the entire thing. What we're going to use here is we're going to use Gmail as well. And on top of it, we're going to use some sort of CRM, whatever CRM you're using. You're going to have to connect that to Cloud. In my case, I attach a CSV file with my CRM data to make it a bit simpler in this case. But we will be able to achieve the exact same thing with the data, because if we were to connect the API, you will pretty much get the same result that I'm going to get right now. I'm sending all of the emails to myself to show you how it actually works, but you're going to understand the entire idea behind what we're doing by you seeing that. And then, of course, we're going to connect our email to Cloud Cowork. I'm just going to click connect. And once you've gone through that window for connecting your email, it will essentially throw you back to where we're at. And now it's kind of asking me, would like to co-work in a folder. And I'm just going to go to my desktop in this case. I'm just going to call this sales rep brief. And then I'm just going to go back in here, choose, there we go. And now I need to kind of schedule this. I'm just going to go ahead and schedule 8 a.m. Let's run a test then, and I'll just show you how this kind of looks like. I think this is going to come from support.com, which is my support email. And yeah, I mean, it's going to create the draft and then allow for this task. Having to allow is you only need to do that the first time, if I remember right. After that, this kind of remembers it moving forward. Okay, here is the first draft, right? So this is kind of what it looks like in terms of like Saturday ahead, monthly target, needs attention, and then stage, reach, sale deals, reminders, etc. Auto-generated from and then if I refresh again, I should probably see another one. And as you can see over here, multi-target reach, reassign, 8-day waiting. And then if I refresh again, I should see a third. There you go, behind target. I mean, if you found this helpful in terms of setting this up, just subscribe to the video, and I will see you in the next one.